Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Fanny. Today I'll be showing you how to install extensions on Google Chrome. Any extension you would like. First, you need to make sure that you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. So once you have Google Chrome installed, you can open it as you see on this window, and then you just come on the top right corner up here, click on that dot, and then scroll down and go to settings, click on it, and then on the left hand side you would see here extensions. Simply click on extensions. So here are the extensions that are already installed on Google Chrome. If you want to install a new extension, you click on this menu on the left hand side and then move down to Open Chrome Web Store. Click on that. So from here you have a couple of extensions that you can see. So on the left hand side you can see categories of extension. If you're looking for a particular extension, you simply come here and type the name of that extension. For example, let's install just a random extension we see here, for example this. You simply click on it, and here is an overview of the extension, and this is what it does. It has a description. So to install it, you click here, Add to Chrome, and then give Chrome permission to add that extension. You click on Add Extension. And so down here, it installs and it's added to Chrome. Once it is added to Chrome, you can see the extension is right here. Or if you don't see it here, you click on Extensions and then see the number of extensions you have. So now let's try another extension. Let's go back to Chrome Web Store and let's go to Developer Tools, Categories, and see what extensions we have. We have JSON Formatter, Redux, Lighthouse. When you scroll down, you can see a couple of other extensions. So let's go to Productivity Extensions. There are a couple of extensions here. So let's try one more, Video Recorder. Click on it. What does it do? It records and shares unlimited free video messages from your browser. Alright, okay, let's give it a try. Add to Chrome, grant it permission. So it's downloading right here, and thereafter it is added to Chrome. Alright, so now that is basically how you install extensions, any extension. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.